Well, I think I'm live. Good morning, everyone. My name is Joseph. I'm with Smart Money Traders. We have this YouTube channel to trade live, trade the right edge, and really share with the community what we know and also learn from the community, the trading community. So right now we are looking at the ES. There's a big push down. How's work coming on? There's a big push down here from the value area high. As we can see, this market's been kind of really volatile. Yeah, since the new administration took office yesterday, we have definitely a little volatility. That was yesterday. That was last night. That was a big candle for overnight. Got a big range overnight. 60, 70, all the way down to 594. It's about 65-point range. 66-point range almost. So right now we got to this area. We're selling off here. Definitely looks like they don't want to go higher here. So we may be looking for some sell. This is the ES, which is primarily why we trade. So this is what we're going to be focused on today. So looks like it's a sell at the moment, but probably need to wait for a pullback to see what we want to get. We'll see how we're gonna manage this. If we're gonna go short or long. It's kind of early in the process. Only 9:55. So let's see if we can get a pullback and a turnaround. But that was some heavy selling here. So heavy selling. Let's see if we can get to. Let's see here. So we'll turn around here, which may try to sell it. Kind of close to the top of the hour. When it's close to the top of the hour like this, I like to stay away from the market and see what 10 o'clock is going to bring. But today's one of those days that if you don't catch something, you may just don't catch it at all because the market is going to be moving today. As you can see, the overnight range was 66 points, which is typically what the whole day is. And the way the market is moving now, the overnight range, I think, will be broken. Or could this be like a flush out to go higher? So, like right now, we that's what we're doing. We're above the VWAP, which is a bullish sign. So let's see what we do here. Yeah, just gonna have to wait and see what's happening here. Yeah, we're definitely gonna wait here and see what the top of the hour brings. I don't think there's any news, so let me just double check. Next news will be Thursday, which is every Thursday we got unemployment claims at 8:30. So that's the next one. And also, I think President Trump is speaking on Thursday, but they don't have a time yet. So that's always going to be, that could potentially be market moving news. That speech could definitely be market moving. Friday, we get some flash. Let me move this over here so we can see what I'm talking about. So Friday, we got at 9:45, we got flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. So those are two things we gotta take a look at here. Unemployment claims. President Trump speaking that same day on Thursday, which I would probably think would be in the morning, but just keep an eye out for that. So this big sell-off happened here, and they couldn't bring it. It looks like they can't bring it higher, meaning like we might be going higher here. So let's keep this on the screen. So, but we'll wait. It's 10 o'clock. Could this week here that happened in the 10-minute was a week to go? Okay. Was that just yeah, seller seems to be in control at the moment here. If we get a negative bar here, we might try to sell here. Probably not. Let's see. Get an order in the market here. See if we can at least get to that first target. Our first target got filled. Let's see. At least we wanna see if we can catch something bigger here. First stop got filled. See. Okay. I think this baby can move 20 points. Go all the way down here. Yeah. Looks like we're about to push down here. Let's see. A big fight going on right now. We don't know which side's gonna win here. A big fight going on in this area. And if we can see a breakdown here, the downside, it's potentially gonna be pretty huge. Doesn't look like the buyers are coming back in here. Fortunate. Okay. We got fill here. Let's see if we can go lower here. Hey, well. Looks like we're gonna be probably give it above this pivot here, but see if there's any comments here. No. So I'm gonna get here. Saying this is my emergency stop up here. So let me see if I can see if we can get down here and get my stop. Okay, my target got filled here. So we got well, we already have patience here. I mean, this market was down, but it was definitely volatile. We had to be patient and put our stop in a position that we know they're gonna try to hit it. Let's see. So pretty much, I think gonna be done for this market today. Yeah. We're not gonna trying to overstay our welcome here. So it looks like we're gonna be going lower here. Just I'm getting some buying here going on. There's not much to do. We're looking, this market is pulling back here. I don't think we're gonna engage any longer here. Let's see. Okay, now we're going higher. I think I'm gonna call it a day here. It was a quick in and out on the ES on the short side. Today's one of those days that trade too much here because this market's gonna entice you. Now this is coming to a resistance area for the ES. So a move down here is definitely possible. Pushing higher here, so let's see what Alright, we're just gonna wait and see here what happens. I'm just gonna look at the market. Nothing major happening at the moment. Just we go to the POC, which is 59.75. Can they move lower here? I think they can. They may. So, alright, with that said, I think I'm gonna end the stream. It was a very, very short stream today. I think probably the shortest stream I ever had. Just one and done because this market today is very volatile and we're gonna keep the profits that we made. So it was a one and done winner here. That long move down. We started shorting this market around here. We added to a position right here. Our stop was above this pivot. I think we checked out and we got fill right here for our because but you know what? It's because I have a strategy on it. That's why it's not gonna do it because I have a strategy, which is the NDT. Let's see. Do I have the MES here? Oh, yeah, let me move the MES over here. So we can see the plots. I think the plot should show on here. Yeah, you have a do not plot on here. So let's go down and change that. So as you can see here, we started selling. Sold here. We added over here again. And our stop was above here. And the target got taken out over here. That's basically what happened here today in the MES. So with that said, we're gonna call it a day. Good luck if you're still trading, and be careful out there because this market is very, very volatile at the moment. Very, very volatile. So with that said, good luck. God bless. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.